Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how to fix Asus Rog Zephyrus G14 not turning on. So if this device is not turning on, then what you can do is you can perform a hard reset. For that you just have to remove any external devices connected to the laptop such as USB drives, external monitors or other peripherals. Then you need to disconnect the power adapter from the laptop. If your model has a removable battery, you need to carefully remove it. If the battery is built in, you need to just skip this step. Press and hold the power button for around 30 seconds. This helps to drain any residual power from the laptop. If you remove the battery, you just have to reinsert it and then you just have to plug the power adapter back into the laptop. Afterwards, you need to press the power button to see if the laptop turns on or not. So this method you need to take in order to fix the Asus Rog Zephyrus G14 not turning on. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.